In this video, we'll be adding a camera using the auto discovery feature of the Sentry VMS Client. First, let's log into the client. Then click on Administration, then Setup and Configuration. Okay, now we're going to select the server where we're going to add our new camera, and we'll pick Sentry VMS. Then we'll click on the Cameras tab. And on the right side, here are a list of the currently monitored cameras in that particular server. And what we're going to do is add a camera to that list using the auto discovery function. So we'll click on the button, and here is a window that pops up that gives you a couple of options. One of them is to select a different network card. If you have more than one network card in your server, this way you can do searching for cameras in other parts of your network. So what we do is just click on the Start button, and that will give you a list of all the cameras found on this particular subnet that you can either pick one camera or select all or anywhere in between. Okay, our IP auto discovery has completed, and as you can see, we have 4 listed cameras here. We're going to pick just one for this exercise, so we'll click OK to dismiss this window. And we're going to check off this box here for our Axis camera. I'm going to click OK. As you can see in this right-hand list of cameras, there is the Axis that we just selected. So we'll click OK again. I'm going to open up in the navigation tree under Sentry VMS. I'm going to scroll down to the bottom, and there is the camera we just added. When I click on that, we'll see the image. And there's the image of our newly added camera. Now, if we right-click on that, we'll select Properties, and you can see what the properties of that camera are. For example, this is an Axis P3343. It's at this IP address with this username and password. Now, in many cases, you don't have to change this camera information, but for some cameras you do when they're auto-discovered. So the auto-discovery process does help you, though, especially if you have a lot of cameras that are just installed on your network and you want to be able to find them all at once. You may have to go back and tweak some of this information later on, but this does cut down the time it takes to install new cameras on a given system or to add cameras to an already existing system. And that is how you add a camera using auto discovery in the Sentry VMS Client. You can find out more information and learn more about us by going to our website at ipvideocorp.com. Thanks for watching.